Have you been looking to downsize into a smaller, modern home, but don't want to go into a villa, apartment, or aged care living? Or have you been wanting a holiday home? Well, this could be the perfect one for you. I love the Surf Leisure Resort as it provides an easy and carefree lifestyle. Why? Because you have everything at your fingertips. Meadow Beach is just over here and you can go swimming and fishing every day. You also benefit from the cycleway being literally at your front door, and is an excellent way to keep fit as you can walk or cycle all the way from Sandon Point down to Lake Illawarra. You will also enjoy the resort for all the facilities that it provides, like the tennis court, the swimming pool, and you even are able to go and use the basketball courts. This lovely renovated home offers 2 bedrooms, an open plan layout and elevated ceilings, shed and a carport. It is perfect for a single person or a couple. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and I would love for you to contact me to organise an inspection of this wonderful home located at 201 Pioneer Road, Meadow. Thank you for watching and bye for now.